Hi everybody, today we're going to take you leaf peeping ATV style with Big Bear Adventures.
Alright, we're heading off on the side-by-side into the woods.
Our ATV tour is approximately 2 hours. We're in a side-by-side so we can each get a chance to drive while the other is filming. We will have 2 photo stops, but our guide Brandon will also be stopping periodically along the way to make sure we're doing okay.
We're about to go into the woods.
Today is the perfect day for an ATV tour. The weather is a little chilly and it's misting on and off, and the fall foliage is just starting to turn.
Pretty little canopy right here.
It's great having a guide so we can enjoy this experience without having to worry about navigating the miles and miles of ORV trailing. Along this stretch, the trail is nice and wide so we can go fast. We're going through some small puddles, but I'm really hoping for a big one.
That last one got us good.
It's already been an hour, so it's time for our first photo stop. After a couple of pictures, it's my turn to drive. This is my first time driving a side-by-side, so there is a bit of a learning curve. I'll just take it slow to start and speed up once I get the hang of it. Brandon's slowing down. It must be time for the second scheduled photo stop. This is such a beautiful place. The lake and trees are so pretty. And if you look closely, you can even see the rain falling gently onto the lake. Back on the trail. Brandon can tell I'm more comfortable driving, so he's going much faster this time. But he is still pausing periodically to make sure that we're doing okay.
Let's see water.
His gesture means for me to slow down so I make a bigger splash.
Splashy, splashy time. Hit it. Hit it. Moving like we go. Holy shit. We got some water. Yeah.
I feel like I'm driving through a kaleidoscope. This is even better than I had imagined. I think we just turned onto the trail that goes back to the shop.
The aftermath. We got this thing so dirty. So dirty.
I'm so happy to get to share this experience with you. This is one of my favorite tours I've ever taken.